Ready to level up your CRM strategy with Klaviyo? Integrating allows data from your other platforms to sync to Klaviyo so you can better personalize messages and make more data-driven decisions. In this video, we'll review how to access and manage the integrations within your account, as well as how to enable new integrations. Before we dive in, if you're finding this video helpful, be sure to click like and subscribe for more content like this. Let's get started. In Klaviyo, click the Integrations button just above your account name. Here, you'll find one central hub for all existing integrations you've set up so far. You can enable and manage the apps that sync your activity and data to and from Klaviyo. You'll see the integration name, its category, and its connection status. If an integration needs attention, a warning status will appear. Click the three dots to view or edit its details. On the next page, review the warning message. From there, you can either fix the issue or remove the integration if you no longer need it. If you disable an integration, you have the option to re-enable it at any time. You can also add new integrations to bring more data into Klaviyo. Let's say you want to integrate with a new tool to further enhance your business strategy. Back on the integrations page, you can easily do so by clicking the Explore Apps button. Klaviyo integrates with a wide range of platforms, from advertising and help desk tools to graphic design, workflow automation, event management, rewards and loyalty programs, shipping, direct mail, e-commerce, and so many more. If you aren't quite sure which tool to choose yet, looking through these options in our app marketplace can help you determine what's possible. Let's use Google Ads as an example. When you integrate Google Ads with Klaviyo, you can sync segments directly into Google to better target your ads, optimize spend, and build more personalized campaigns based on your customer data from Klaviyo. Click Google Ads to explore features, user guides, case studies, and learn more about what integrating can do for your brand. When you're ready, click Install. This will begin the integration process. From there, the steps to integrate may look slightly different for each tool, as every platform is unique. Follow the setup instructions in Klaviyo to complete your integration. If you're looking to import data manually, you can also click Manage Data. This option lets you upload CSV files or set up an SFTP transfer to bring data into Klaviyo directly. Lastly, if you need more technical resources, click the Developers button. From here, you can manage API keys, view API call activity, and explore tools to help streamline your integration workflows. Ready to get started? Connect the tools you rely on and bring your entire CRM strategy together in Klaviyo. If you found this video helpful, be sure to click like and subscribe, and check out the description for more content like this to help you learn and grow with Klaviyo.